Hi, welcome back to the channel. My name is Anastasia and I'm your fitness expert. In this channel, I share with you my expertise in the area of weight loss, body sculpting, dieting with the natural ingredients, and how to heal, transform your health, your body shape with the regular workouts, eating habits, and transforming the way you look, the way you perceive yourself, and how does it transform the dating life, your personal life, your relationship with yourself, and your life position. If you struggle at any of this, if you are not happy with yourself, and this is a very strict point to be honest with yourself, when you show up to the mirror, how do you talk about yourself? How do you perceive yourself in the mirror? The way you look, your face, your body shape, the way you dress, how happy you are about how you look. And when you stay there in front of the mirror, you can answer honestly. We are just here, no one listen. You can be honest. If you are not happy, we can be there. We can be not happy with how we look. I offer for you a way out, which I have crafted over the 16 years of experience by trying, by going through the error program, by going through the dissatisfaction, by being really in the low season of my life, suffering from bulimia, which I developed while doing modeling, while getting a bit bulky while I was a professional swimmer, while traveling around the globe, finding my professional fulfillment and having a bad eating habits and lifestyle, and finding the way how to work out with a pleasure, how to eat well, how to transform my appearance and be at the best for long-lasting results, and not just stable, just keep improving and improving. So if there's something that you're interested about, if you are ready to transform your appearance, your body shape, and your areas of your life, all you need to do, you need to fill the Google form I have here in the video description, and we'll take from there. We'll schedule the call, we'll schedule the free consultation call where we'll study where you are right now. I will offer my guidance, and it's up to you to go for it or just spend maybe 16, maybe 2, maybe 3 years to find this way out by yourself. So in today's video, I want to share with you how the fashion choices affects your dating life and affects your body shape. It's a bit controversial, right? A fashion, a personal life, like a dating life, and body shape. How does it all come together, this triangle? But very easy. So I've been myself a professional model, if it's very first video you're watching. And in my time in 2000s, late 2000, there was a measurement of 90, 60, 90. This is the perfect body you need to have to be a model. And it was very tough time. I was in the bulimia. I wasn't getting a pleasure from a food. I was afraid from food, and hence I was tend to buy like clothes that are smaller than my size, even the shoes. So it wasn't good, it wasn't healthy. It even get me harm to my body, to my system, which I heal over the time. Not the recommendation here, just listen to the story, do not pick it up any recommendation from this aspect. And then when I moved to Dubai, I live in Dubai, and I start my career in Dubai as a salesperson in a fashion avenue in the biggest mall in the world, which called Dubai Mall. I was working for Thatcher brands like Givenchy and Tom Ford, which is the biggest name, great designers, beautiful, adorable collections. And even at those time, it started to be little by little to pop up oversized collection, oversized pieces in the wardrobe for men and women. And it was like 10 years ago, 12 years ago. And for me, it was a bit like crushing two words. Like when we are in a modeling was 90, 60, 90, everything should be fit, everything should be just a perfect size. If something is not on you well, if it's something loosen up, you need to go and alter it. It should be everything slim. I know the fashion it changes, and especially today from 2012 till now, there's so much of massive changes in the fashion industry. If you look, no matter in which city you live, no matter in which country you live, there is still a big promotion on oversized collection, on a boyfriend jeans, on a army style on a kind of dirty colors, and you think like it's very innocent, it's nice fashion, what to do, we can pick it up. And it's not only about Tom Ford or Givenchy, like it's from a top designers to the smallest designers maybe in your city or in your country. It's like a monkey industry. There's nothing new being innovated. They're just copy pasting what is trending for this season. And you would see on the street, in your environment, when you go to the local bakery, when you go to the cafe, when you go to the meeting, when you meet up with your employees, here and there. And maybe you wasn't even subconscious about it, but listen to this video and now get conscious for a day or two and observe people on streets, women particularly, we are talking here, on the streets, your colleagues, your family members, your environment, how do they dress up? And you would see that 9 out of 10 have the oversized elements in their fashion. And I have nothing against it. It can be beautiful, it can be matching, like there's a lot of stylist work on it, like you make a slim fit or skinny jeans for down, and up you choose a oversized cut. But in the long run, which is already running for 10 years, this oversized collection creates subconsciously choices for this comfort. When you choose casual and oversized over something stylish, feminine cut, slim fit, when you choose to feel comfortable in your clothes. And I'm not saying here that you need to buy a smaller clothes, no way, but this is promoting that you need to hide your imperfection. Also the stylist, how they works, you hide your imperfection and you point out on your best parts. So for example, if you have an issue with your lower part of the body, maybe you put attention to your bust for women specifically. Or if you have a short legs, you mix match with these colors and avoid this print, etc. But it's about a fundamental thing. When you decide to change your body shape, when you decide that you want to change just your body shapes, then you would naturally go for different styles, and you would be even more bold about styles that you choose. Then you want to show up and put an attention on those areas. So when you choose a lot of trousers in your wardrobe, when you choose a lot of masculine fashion in your wardrobe, you attract the similar style from the men, who tend maybe to have a little bit of less masculine in his style. And it's not only about the fashion, it's also about the attitude, it's also about the psychology, it's all about mix matching the personas together. So you see how it's everything interconnected. So when you at the state that you are not happy with your body, when you look at yourself in the mirror, you can choose to change your body shape by following a better diet, by eating better, by going to working out, by exercising regularly, by dedicating time for yourself, for your mental health, doing prioritizing good habits and quitting the bad habits, and you would see the improvements in your style, in your body, in the appearance that you are gaining with the time, more and more, and hence you would have more confidence in yourself and you would choose better choices in the fashion. Because when you are not confident in your body, when you are not happy with your body shape, you tend to choose this oversized, this loosey materials to hide in it, to feel comfortable, that people do not see that maybe you have these imperfections. People will not see, people focus on themselves, but we have these imperfections in us. We do not want to put extra attention on this imperfection. So you see how fashion connected with your body shape, and of course it affects your dating life. So when you pick it up, this kind of casual materials, when you pick up this oversized style, when you pick up more masculine attitude in your fashion, you might attract also the same fashionista guy. Maybe it would be happy for you. Maybe you would attract a guy who have a more feminine energy in him, and then it depends if you would be happy in such a mixture. So fashion is tremendously important. So it's kind of how we pursue each other. When you meet at first glimpse with a man, and when you are in your oversized in pajama, and then if you keep going with the same style, he just pursue in this style that you are just this fluffy, beautiful pumpkin, or I don't know, cupcake. But when you are able to change. And it's not, I'm not telling you that you need to be always in a silk tight dress 24/7, but when you are willing to change, when you can be in pyjama, when you can be in a hot stunning suit, when you can be even in a ski outfit, you can be still feminine and sexy. This is the skills that you need to craft, because you would be confident with your body shape. And if you are not confident and if you are not happy with your body shape, you need to take this and change your body shape and then pick it up with the wardrobe. Do not make vice versa. Do not just hide the imperfections with the wardrobe, with the fashion trends, with the colors, with the accessories. Just take these imperfections that you are not happy and change the body shape. If you struggle, if you do not know how, if you are not fan of gym, I offer you a solution which is absolutely proven. It is giving a beautiful results for myself over the years. It's giving results for my clients, and it's long lasting results. To know more, to get information and to get information how does it work, fill out the Google form. We will meet over the free consultation call and take from there. This is it for this video. Hope you enjoy. Do not forget to put like, share with someone who is into the fashion of oversized, and I will see you in the next video.